Photo Blender is an Android application designed to allow users to blend and merge multiple photos creatively. This app is particularly appealing to photography enthusiasts and social media users who want to create unique images by combining different pictures into a single artistic composition. Key features typically include a variety of blending modes that enable users to experiment with how images overlay each other, along with tools for adjusting opacity, brightness, and contrast. Users can often crop, rotate, and resize photos before blending, which adds to the creative possibilities. Additionally, Photo Blender may offer options to apply filters, textures, and frames to enhance the final image further. The app usually comes with an intuitive interface that makes it easy for users to navigate and create visually appealing results. Overall, Photo Blender serves as an excellent tool for anyone looking to express their creativity and produce captivating photo art on their Android devices.